Want to learn how to enable dark mode on WhatsApp? WhatsApp's dark mode helps to reduce eye strain in low light settings. A darker screen can help you reduce the glare of white light in the gloomy area, making it easier for everyone's eye. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp. Then tap on 3 vertical dots that is in the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on Settings. Tap on Chats option. There you will see Theme option from Display section. Tap on it. Pop-up will appear. Choose Dark option and tap on OK. So that is how you enable dark mode on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.